making such good itinerary for us.
Thank you. Just say Manju auntie once.
Manju auntie, although she doesn't look like an auntie.
Yeah, and I would also like to say thank you for the wonderful host, for the wonderful staff, and the
Thank you.
wonderful food.
Thank
that we
you.
had.
Thank
Food
you.
special.
जोगिंदर जी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, मुकेश जी बहुत अच्छा खाना था, very nice.
See, I'm a nature lover to the core, okay? And the air, the energy, and everything was so apt. Even the geyser makes a big difference, you know, the hot water,
Yeah.
whatever. And everything was so, I mean, there is such beautiful memories from here, and so much of gratitude for them, you know, from deep down of my heart. That and I look forward that they keep on planning such more trips. Coming back to Aryan Vilas, Manju Shaji, it is amazing,
Thank
alright,
you.
and fantastic. Both the boys were really good. रात को हम 2 बजे पहुंचे. They were still in that energy. सारे bags उठा के ऊपर ले आए. And whatever was told, they took care of it. You know, so thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And our entire gang.
एक मिनट सर